Now let's go to transpose of matrices. This is a very simple concept in matrices. The transpose of a matrix is formed when its rows are arranged in columns. You change rows to columns. That's all that gives you the transpose of a matrix. So let's just take two examples. We don't need too much here to waste time on. It's a simple concept. So given the matrices here, K and L, let's find the transpose of K. The transpose of K is called KT, which is K transpose. I'll go ahead and change the first row to the first column. So I'll write 3, 1, and 5 here. I'll just change the first row to the first column. Then this second row, I'll make it my second column. 2, 3, and 8. So this is K transpose. In the same way, L transpose, what will it be? L transpose, also L transpose. I'll just go ahead, change the first row to the first column. First row is 110 here. So I'll change 110 to 110. Then next I'll change -124 to -124. Can you see it's the second row here, but I've changed it to the second column. Then 359, I'll change it here to what? 359. So that gives me my L transpose. Just change the row, just change each row to a what? To a column. So change the second row also to what? Second column here. And change the third row. Third row is 359, but I'll go ahead and change it to my third column in the transpose of L. So that's everything about transpose of matrices. Let's now go to the next part of matrices. The next part of matrices is called determinant. Determinant. So let's go to determinants of matrices. Let me do it this way. Determinant of what? Matrices. So exercise 6. What we're going to treat here is exercise 6. Starting from question 1. It says evaluate each of the following. The determinant of a matrix is usually indicated by using straight lines like this instead of brackets. So we want to find the determinant of this matrix. You know, the matrix would have been 3, 2, -1, 4. But when we are looking for determinants, these brackets will change to long bars. So that gives us what? We are looking for the determinant of this. Determinant is symbolized by the, symbol delta. It's symbolized by delta, and it will be 3 times 4 minus 2 times -1. So I'll multiply these numbers in this diagonal and multiply the numbers in this diagonal and subtract this one from this one. So I just do 3 times 4 minus 2 times -1. 3 times 4 is what? 12. 12 minus -2 will give me 12 plus 2. And that's what? 14. That's the determinant of that matrix. Let's go to the second one. B says we should find the determinant of 4. Can you see the questions here? B says we should find the determinant of 4 minus 3 minus 6, 2. This is also very simple. Our determinant is what? Delta. So delta is 4 times 2 minus what? Minus 6 times -3. That gives me 8 minus what? 18. So that's 8 minus 18, and my determinant is -10. Be careful with signs. So as your exercise, you answer C, D, and E yourself. So we go straight to application of determinants. This set of questions in number 2 involves the use of determinants of matrices. Here we are given the determinants. The question says find the value of x for which, find the value of x for which x to 2x7 is equal to what? 6. So we want to find the value of x for which this determinant is equal to 6. All we have to do is simple. Just do open bracket 7 times x minus 2x times 2 is equal to what? 6. Because this is how our determinant should be gotten. 7 times x minus what? 2x times 2. So 7 times x is 7x. 2x times 2 is 4x. So 7x minus 4x is what? 6. What does that give us? 7x minus 4x is 3x. 3x is equal to 6. X is 6 over 3. So x is 2. The value of what? The value of x for which this determinant is 6 is what? 2. So let's go ahead and take it one by one like that. That's question 2A. Let me label it. I didn't remember to do that. That's question 2A. Let's go to question 2B. Let's go to question 2B. It says, okay, I think I can leave 2B. You do 2B yourself. Let me just do the last one. Or D. D says 3x plus 2. Or should we do all? Let's do all. Let's do all. I'll give you another question as your exercise. X 3x is 0. So if this determinant is 0, what is the value of x? So x times x minus 3 times 3 is what? 0. X times x is x squared. 3 times 3 is 9. So x squared minus 9 is 0. So x squared minus 3 squared is what? 0. 9 is 3 squared. So if I do this using the difference of two squares, x plus 3 times x minus 3 is 0. So x plus 3 is 0, or x minus 3 is 0. So x is minus 3, or what? X is 3. So the values of x are minus 3 or 3. Minus 3 or what? 3. Let's go to question C. In C, this is going to be a bit long. X minus 3, x plus 1, x plus 2. The determinant of this determinant is equal to 0. That means x minus 3 times x plus 2 minus x times x plus 1 is equal to what? 0. If you expand this correctly, you will get x squared minus x minus 6 minus x squared minus x squared minus x is equal to 0. That gives you x squared on rearranging minus x squared minus x minus x minus 6 is 0. So that's minus 2x minus 6 is what? 0. So because you know this is supposed to cancel out, x squared minus x squared is 0. Minus x is minus 2x. So that gives you minus 2x is equal to what? 6. If minus 2x is 6, what's x? X is 6 over minus 2. And x is what? Minus 3. So take note of that. That's question C. Let's go to question D. Let's go to question D. In question D, we have 3x plus 2 here, x minus 2 here, x plus 2, and x plus 1. This determinant equals what? Minus 5. Can you see question D? This determinant equals what? Minus 5. So, in this question, what it means is that if you do 3x plus 2 times x plus 1 and subtract x plus 2 times x minus 2 from it, your answer should be equal to minus 5. This is going to give me 3x squared plus 3x plus 2x, that's plus 5x plus 2, minus, this is x squared minus 4 is equal to minus 5. So 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 minus x squared plus 4 is equal to minus 5. If you put the values of x together, you get 2x squared, as in from 3x squared minus x squared, you get what? 2x squared. 5x is alone, no term in x. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Bring minus 4 to the left, it will give you 0. So that means you have 2x squared plus 5x plus 11 is equal to 0. Now, let's factorize this expression. This is what? Plus 22. What two numbers we had to give? Plus 22 and multiply to give. We had to give plus 5 and multiply to give plus 22. No two numbers. So we have to do this with what? The quadratic formula. We have to do this with the quadratic formula. Let's go. So using x is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. X will be minus 5 plus or minus square root of b squared, that's 5 squared, minus 4 times 2 times 11, that's minus 4ac over 2 times 2. That gives you minus 5 plus or minus square root of. Now, 5 squared is 25. 5 squared is 25. I hope I didn't make a mistake here. Let me check. 3x squared minus x squared, 2x squared, plus 5x. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay. 3x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 2, correct? X plus 2x minus 2, that's x squared minus 4. Minus x squared plus 4 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay. This minus this, that's minus x squared plus 4. I think I didn't make a mistake. Okay, let's continue. This should give me minus 5 plus or minus 25. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 11. 8 times 11, 88. That's 25. That's what? 25 minus 88 over what? 25 minus 88 all over 4. So I can say my x is minus 5 plus minus 5 plus root 25 minus 88. What does that give me? That's 63 minus 63 over 4, or x is minus 5 minus root minus 63 over 4. Those are my values of x for which the determinant here is equal to minus 5. Let's go to question E. Let's go to question E. In question E, it says we have 2x minus 4, 3x, and minus 1 is equal to what? 20. So if you cross multiply, 2x times minus 1 minus 3x times minus 4 is equal to what? 20. 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x. Minus 3x times minus 4 is minus 12x is equal to 20. So minus 2x plus 12x is 20. 12x minus 2x, that's what? 10x is 20. X is equal to 20 over 10. So that gives us x is equal to what? 2. x is equal to 2. So those are the basics of that determinant. That's how to find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's now do a few class exercise. Class exercise. Do this yourself. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following. Number 1, 2. Evaluate each of the following. These are straight bars. Never mind that they may not look too straight. Then find the value of x for which. Solve for x if. Solve for x if. Let me make that number 5. 2x 1 3 4 is equal to 3. That's number 5. Let's go to number 6. 3x 4 minus 2x 6 is equal to 3. Okay, let's make this 2. So I think that's okay. Make this your classwork and take note of this part of matrices, the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices.